Let's be the match in 3, 2, 1, go!
And we're off. This is qualification match number 111 here on Croft Field number 1. Getting an early start. That is Red Alliance. I'm a Genius. They are cycling those They're cycling those artifacts from their ramp, collecting them, and trying to shoot as many in rapid succession. Their teammate is joining them. That is Browncoats from the far launch zone. Over on the blue side, both teams seem to have earned leave points, while it appears at least one on the Red Alliance side as we enter the driver control period. Red almost doubles Blue's score, but that is nothing they can't come back from. So let's see these robots go. Going from that far launch zone is Ragnarok, cycling through, picking up those artifacts. They went 1 for 3 there, getting a bit better. They're going 1 for 2 now. Their teammate is emptying that ramp. That is Mech. On the Red Alliance side, we have Browncoats, who is launching in sync with their teammate, I Am a Genius, to fill up that ramp and quickly empty it to continue to cycle those artifacts as we get a minor for being in that secret tunnel. With I'm a Genius being consistent here, collecting those artifacts and launching them in rapid succession. Their teammate is hoping to try to rival their speed. That is Browncoats. The Blue Alliance has to try their best now to do the same thing. They have to try to make as much of a comeback as possible here. That is Ragnarok going from that far launch zone, who is joined by Mech in the near launch zone. Another loading zone minor this time for the Red Alliance as we are about to enter the final 30 seconds of match play. Collecting those artifacts again is I'm a Genius, who is going to cycle through those artifacts in rapid succession. As long as they keep those 3, they can keep it going. The blue ramp is full. Red is going to try to do the same thing before they get to the final seconds to get as many points as possible as we enter the final 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that has been qualification match number
Is Red Alliance for match 111, 265 points.